Oh, those dark eye hollows and under eye dark circles. Frustrating, I know, but I'm going to be shedding some light on them, no pun intended, in today's video. Hey everybody. All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you're new and not familiar with who I am, I'm Chris. I'm a skincare expert, here to help you find skincare that will work for you, not empty your wallet, and not do you more harm than good. So if that's the kind of content you've been looking for here on YouTube, please be sure and subscribe, hit the little notification bell so that you don't miss my videos when they come out every week. Okay, so this is not the first video that I have done on under eye dark circles, but I wanted to do an updated video to include some of the new products that I've been testing out that have worked, and also add in the topic of the dark eye hollows, this area right here that seemed to be a big problem for a lot of you because I keep getting asked, why don't you have a video on that? Well, many of the same things you would do for the under eye dark circles will work for the eye hollows, but it's really important to know what the cause is, because if you don't know what the cause is, the treatment or product that you choose may not work as well and won't give you the exact results that you're looking for. So one of the most common reasons or causes for this issue for most people is tired eyes. So I'm addressing it first because this is usually one of the things that really exacerbates the problem. Tired eyes or tired eye muscles will lead to puffiness, will also lead to fluid gathering in the eye area to support the muscles, especially if you have a diet high in salt. And those puffy eyelids, especially under the eyes, will create what's known as a shadow, especially when you're indoors in low lighting situations. Your dark circles are going to appear more visible. So we want to address tired eyes. Obviously, getting enough sleep. I'm not going to bore you all with a whole lot of information on how to do that. You all know you need to be getting rest. I know, because I look tired after my YouTube all-nighters, so I'm right in the same boat with you. But some of the things you can do is use things like chilled green tea bags. Yes, chilled green tea bags. I almost said grilled tea bags. Anyway, chilled green tea bags. So what you want to do is put them in, make a cup of tea if you want to, with the tea bags, and then chill them so that they're the temperature of your refrigerator, usually about 38 degrees. You don't want them frozen. And you apply them to the eyes, both eyes, for about 5 minutes or until they lose their coolness. And the green tea has caffeine in it, of course, and it has other antioxidant ingredients. But the biggest benefit are the enzymes and tannins in the tea actually help constrict the blood vessels, push out a lot of that fluid and puffiness, and really give your eyes a refreshed look. Now, you can also use a cool teaspoon. That's an old school. Also old school are cucumber slices chilled in the refrigerator. They work very, very well. Again, the enzymes in the cucumber slices are astringent and help constrict those blood vessels under the eye and remove that puffiness. Again, been around for a long time because it actually works. Beyond that, you can also use eye skin tightening products like Plexiderm, which I have reviewed on the channel, Sudden Change, Under Eye Firming Gel. Those types of products are designed to soak into the skin or be absorbed into the skin, and they tighten, much like egg whites would, pulling the skin tighter, constricting the blood vessels, and again, pushing out that puffiness. And by removing that puffy under eye lid, the shadow will go away. So tired eyes, first and foremost, something you want to try to address. Very simple, very effective way to treat dark circles. Now, moving on to other causes of under eye dark circles, and especially these eye hollows, which I happen to have. Genetically placed. Thank you very much, Mom and Dad. And these are a sign or an effect of thinner skin around the eye. Now, the skin around our eyes is already the thinnest on the body. So obviously, as we age and lose some of the collagen in our skin, and that thinness gets even more pronounced, you can see the little blood vessels under the eyes, making them appear dark. So you're actually seeing beyond the skin into the eye socket. Same thing for these eye hollows. Not a whole lot you can do about that genetic predisposition. So all of these products that promise you to completely rid you of dark eye circles, if that is your issue, yeah, not going to completely do it. But there are some things we can do to thicken that skin back up around the eye area, and that is to use a retinol eye cream. Now, it's very important to use a product designed for the eyes because many times the retinol products on the market for the face and other areas of the body are too strong for the eye area because, again, very thin skin, very sensitive skin. But retinols, which are a derivative of vitamin A, and especially the prescription strength versions like tretinoin, have been proven to thicken up the skin layer by helping the skin produce more collagen. And these do work, but they work over time, so they're not an instant fix. But as you move along using them, you should see a thickening of the skin, which will help hide that darker area of seeing into the eye socket and somewhat for these hollows. Now, the hollows are a little more difficult because, again, there's a genetic predisposition almost always where these occur. So I'm going to be giving you some things you can do about that in just a second. But just know, I hate to see you guys run out and buy products that promise all these instant results when really when we're talking about this particular kind of dark circle, that's not going to happen. That's not to say there are not products on the market or ways to hide these as you wait on the benefits to show up from your retinol eye cream. The product like number 7's under eye dark circle corrector. I have talked about this product many times on the channel. It is one that has both long-term ingredients to help with this issue and to help thicken skin. And it also has a slight tint in the product to help immediately hide those dark circles and these eye hollows. The other way to address these that has been most helpful to me over the years have been to use green colored concealers. Now, there are a couple of these I want to talk about. One is a BB cream by L'Oreal. It's green, as you see, and when you apply it to the skin, it cancels out redness. So it brings your skin tone back to a sort of brighter color, more even skin tone. You can also use green stick type concealers. This is one that I use a lot, especially if I have that really tired look. So I'm going to show you how this works. You see I have these eye hollows, and especially when I have lights on me to do work for you guys on these videos, they're very apparent. And I don't use makeup and I don't use concealers when I do these videos because I want you to see what my skin looks like. But I'm going to use one here in front of you today to show you how I can make this disappear. So we're just going to put a little bit. Okay, so just a little bit. And then I just simply blend that in. See how it's disappearing? You don't want to use a lot because you don't want to make your eyes look white. You've seen people that do too much concealer and it makes their eye area look really strange. All right, see? That's gone and that one's gone. You can still see it a little bit because I'm in kind of bright light. This may be your solution for life if you're like me, because there's not a whole lot you can do about those eye hollows. You're not going to thicken that skin up, even with the retinol cream. But the other benefits of using retinol eye creams are going to be things like speeding up of cellular turnover, and helping prevent and improve any crepiness on the eyelid. So I will be putting links to all of these products that I'm talking about today down below in the video description box like I usually do, so you can go check them out when we're done with today's video. Now let's talk about another issue or cause of these dark circles, which happens when you have darker complected skin most often, or you have sun damage. And that is a collection of pigment on the top of the cheeks under the lower lid. That makes the appearance of a dark circle. So if you're very light complected, Caucasian, you're probably not going to see that very often, although sun damage can create that over time. But if you're darker complected, this can be an issue. And retinol creams are going to help you with this in the long run. But what you really need is an eye brightening, lightening serum. And that is a product that contains ingredients like niacinamide, glycolic acid, and skin brightener to help lift and disperse out that melanin that's collected there and prevent it from coming back. So products like Ole Henriksen's Banana Eye Cream, which is a brightening cream, is very, very effective for this. Also, Skin Medica Eye Cream is a very effective lightening and brightening eye cream, which also contains a diffuser, which means it reflects light back off of your skin, reducing and minimizing the look of those dark circles. So again, these two products I will put below in the video description box to help you guys out. Now, I know today's video is not very long, but again, I wanted to put together a little more comprehensive and to the point dark circle eye hollow video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please give the video a like and let me know in the comments below what products that you have tried that worked well for these particular issues, because I really would like to know. Also, be sure and check out the playlist coming up next, along with my other videos, they'll pop up in just a minute, that are on the eye area and how to take care of many of the issues that occur in the eye area, like crepey eyelid skin, crow's feet, all of that. There for you to watch and learn from. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting the channel. You know how much it means to me. I love you guys. Stay beautiful. I'll see you over on the next video. Yeah.